What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and as promised, I'm back with part 2 of yet another Five Below walkthrough. I have so many cute things to share with you guys in this video. Super cute makeup, bath bombs, squishies, cute stationery, cactus decor, home decor, room decor, you guys. The things in this store are so cute, and it's only $5, $4, $3, $2, and $1 items. This is my type of store, you guys. I totally love this store. I hope you guys will enjoy this walkthrough. I really loved shopping here the other day, and I definitely plan to make it part of my weekly errands. All right, you guys, well, I'm going to let you go. Enjoy the walkthrough, and I'll say bye to you guys at the end. that's it for me. That's it for this week's walkthrough of Five Below. What do you guys think? Did you find lots of things that are now on your wish list? Birdie and I want gift cards. We agreed that we would give each other gift cards on our birthdays for the store because we love it so much. But anyways, you guys, I love shopping here. I do have some things that I will be hauling and sharing with you here in the near future. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, what are some super cute things that you saw here that you can't believe that's $5 and under. I mean, these mermaid blankets alone are $5, and what a deal. I think everywhere else they're like 20 bucks. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.